Hello and welcome to Tipsy Day. The drink that we are going to be making today is guaranteed to take you down the memory lane of your holiday at a beach. So there's a beautiful story of rum being originated at the Caribbeans, and Caribbeans is one of the most favored destinations when it comes to a beach holiday. And the drink that we are going to be making today is also called the beach stroll. To make this drink, we are going to be using our very own Malibu. Now, Malibu is a coconut flavored rum from the Caribbeans. And to add on to the zing of the drink, we are going to be using tender coconut water, which will not just add to the flavor, but elevate the whole experience of your holiday at the beach. So let's start with this drink. Now, to make this drink, we'll take an old-fashioned glass and fill it up with ice cubes. And after that, we're going to pour in 60 ml of our coconut rum. Then we are going to squeeze the juice of half a lemon. And then simply just top it up with coconut water. After that, we'll just give it a quick stir so that all the ingredients that we have poured is mixed nicely. And then just garnish it with a nice lemon peel. And there you have it, the beach stroll. Do try this crisp and light summer cocktail. And don't forget to subscribe.